Welcome to the Backend Development Roadmap. In this video, you'll learn the essential skills and technologies needed to become a backend developer step by step. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your skills, this guide will help you navigate through the exciting world of backend development. So, let's get started. The backend is the server side of a web application. It's where all the behind-the-scenes processes happen. It handles data processing, connects to databases, and manages requests from the front end. When you log in, make a payment, upload a file, or fetch data from an API, the backend is doing the work. In short, the backend powers the logic and functionality of web applications. As a backend developer, you are responsible for ensuring the smooth operation of web applications. Here are some of your key tasks. User authentication, managing login and sign-up systems using technologies like JWT and OAuth. Database management, storing and retrieving data efficiently using SQL or NoSQL databases. Server logic, implementing business rules, such as validating user inputs and handling requests. API development, creating and managing REST or GraphQL APIs for front-end applications. File storage and processing, handling images, videos, and documents securely. Security and data protection, encrypting passwords, securing endpoints, and preventing attacks. Performance optimization, using caching, load balancing, and scaling techniques to improve speed and reliability. All these elements work together to build a powerful and secure backend system. When starting with backend development, one of the most important decisions is picking the right programming language. Here's a breakdown of some of the most popular backend languages, why they are popular, and their applications. Python. Why popular? Python is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Its huge ecosystem of libraries and frameworks makes it a go-to for many use cases. It's often recommended for beginners due to its easy learning curve. Applications: web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation. JavaScript. Why popular? JavaScript is the language of the web, and with frameworks like Node.js, you can use it on both the client and server side, making full-stack development seamless. It has a huge developer community, numerous libraries, and is integral to modern web applications. Applications: web development, both front-end and back-end, server-side scripting, real-time applications. Java. Why popular? Java has been a staple in the software development world for decades. Known for its scalability, reliability, and cross-platform capabilities. It's widely used in enterprise applications and large-scale systems. Java is the primary language for Android development, making it essential for mobile app developers targeting the Android platform. Applications: enterprise applications, large-scale systems, Android development, banking software. C#. Why popular? C# is a versatile and powerful language that integrates well within the Microsoft ecosystem. It's widely used for building applications that run on Windows, and it's also very popular for game development with Unity. Applications: Windows-based applications, game development using Unity, web services, enterprise software. In addition to these, there are other languages like Ruby, Go, and PHP, also languages like Kotlin, Swift, Dart for mobile applications developments. Okay, we've reached the end of part 1. Please subscribe to my channel and support me.